How to schedule a call on Calendly. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily schedule any meetings or calls on Calendly. First thing you do is open up your web browser and then simply search for Calendly, hit enter, just click on the first link that you see. You can easily appoint meetings and calls right here. So click on Get Started first if you don't have an account. I'm going to go ahead and continue with my account, Google account, so that it's easier to log in. And just click on Continue. I'm assuming you guys already have the account, but I'm just going to quickly create a new one. You're going to have to allow Google Calendar's access to Calendly because it will base everything on there. So what I'm going to do now is create a new event or calendar. So let's just keep tapping next on my own. Let's just set it up quickly. I'm going to do this for others. Click next again. And then when you're available with people, just enter your time. Click next again. All right, so let's just schedule a Google Meet meeting. Click on continue. Now it will set up your Calendly account first. Now, in order to create a new meeting, as you can see here is a 30-minute meeting. You can just share it now. But if you want to create a new one, click on new event type. Let's say one-to-one. Now select your platform for Google Meet. If you want to change it to Zoom, phone call, or in person, you could just change it to anywhere you want as well. All right, so once that is done, you can just click on share. You'll get the link, and then you can just copy the link and you'll be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.